there, see? But we couldn't get in, and we had to leave because we saw the traffic wardens coming, the parking things in the rearview mirror. But look, how lovely that is. I can't see the cruise ship. You might be able to see it. Can you see it? Unless they dock it further out, I don't know. But look at that, Dave, look. That's called Cardigan Bay, that is. They do a lot of the military boats here. There. See? It's called Pendennis. They're in there, they are. See? And they do famous people's as well here. Apparently they did Jay-Z's yacht, but who knows?